at Sesame Place. Can anyone tell me what night of Kwanzaa it is tonight? It is the 6th night of Kwanzaa.
What's that?
Kwanzaa is a holiday that celebrates family, friends, and unity.
Cool, another holiday.
Oh boy, this is exciting.
Kwanzaa is a time for family, friends, and communities to come together to remember their past and to celebrate African American culture. This holiday was based off the harvest festivals of Africa, and it lasts 7 nights. Each night, family and friends light the kinara for the 7 guiding principles of Kwanzaa, which are ideas for how we can be smarter, stronger, and kinder.
That sounds like fun.
Yeah.
And we are all here tonight to celebrate Kwanzaa. Each night, family and friends light the kinara, which is the candle holder, like this one right over here, and talk about the 7 principles of Kwanzaa.
How can I learn more about Kwanzaa?
Oh, well, actually, Elmo, I have a book right here that is all about Kwanzaa, called K is for Kwanzaa. Well, before we light the kinara tonight, how about I read it to everyone?
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh, yeah. Me in.
Oh, and what about all of you? Would you all like to read a book about Kwanzaa?
Yeah.
Great! Then let's get started. K is for Kwanzaa. A is for Africa. Africa is the 2nd largest continent. It has many countries. African Americans' ancestors come from Africa. Kwanzaa is a holiday that celebrates the rich heritage of Africa. B is for Bandera. The Bandera is the African American flag that is displayed during Kwanzaa. It has 3 colors. Black represents the African American people, red symbolizes their struggles, and green stands for a happy future. C is for candle. Kwanzaa candles are called the Mishuma Saba. They are the same colors as the Bandera. D is for dashiki. A dashiki is a loose fitted shirt worn by people throughout Africa. Many African Americans wear dashikis during Kwanzaa. E is for embe. Embe is a mango, a fruit that grows in many parts of Africa. Mangoes are part of some Kwanzaa dishes. F is for feasts. On the last day of Kwanzaa, family and friends get together for a feast called the Karamu. G is for gele. A gele is a strip of cloth that African women and girls wear wrapped around their heads. Wearing a gele shows pride in African heritage. H is for harvest. A harvest is a ripened crop of fruits and vegetables that is gathered at the end of the growing season. Kwanzaa comes from the African harvest celebrations. I is for indigo. Indigo is a blue powder from the indigo plant. In many areas of Africa, it is mixed with water and used to dye cloth. J is for jewelry. Jewelry is an important part of dressing in many African cultures. Making simple bracelets or necklaces as Kwanzaa gifts is a great way to practice creativity. K is for Kwanzaa and also kinara. The kinara is the candle holder that holds 7 Kwanzaa candles. The black candle is lit on the 1st night of Kwanzaa. On each of the following nights, 1 more candle is lit. L is for lapa. A lapa is a piece of cloth that African women and girls wear wrapped around their bodies like a skirt. Lapas are popular clothing worn at Kwanzaa time. M is for mkeka. The mkeka is a special mat that is set on the Kwanzaa table. The kinara, fruits, and vegetables are placed on the mkeka. N is for neighborhood. Kwanzaa teaches us to respect our neighborhood and to work together to make it a better place. O is for aware. Aware is an African game played with marbles or small stones. Playing games together is a fun way to show unity and cooperation during Kwanzaa. P is for plants. Some plants provide us with fruits and vegetables. After harvesting the crops in Africa, it is time to plant new seeds. Q is for quilt. A quilt is a bed cover stitched together from many small pieces of fabric. Create a Kwanzaa quilt with African fabrics and family items. R is for raffia. Raffia is a fiber that comes from the leaves of certain African palm trees. Raffia is used to make mats, masks or to weave baskets, bags, and the MK mats. S is for shakere. A shakere is a rhythm instrument made from a dry hollow board that is strung with beads. It is played for African dances and ceremonies during Kwanzaa. T is for tales. Reading or telling African tales such as Anansi stories is a popular Kwanzaa activity. U is for Ujema. Ujema is one of the 7 principles of Kwanzaa, and it means cooperative economics. At a Ujema market, we can buy African or African American products such as kente cloth, jewelry, and food. V is for vibunzi. Vibunzi are dried ears of corn placed on the mkeka. Corn is a very important Kwanzaa symbol. Corn represents children who are the future of the family. W is for water. Water is a symbol of purity in many countries. During Kwanzaa, water is poured into the unity cup and everyone drinks a special toast to the ancestors. X is for xylophone. A xylophone is a musical instrument that is used in song and dance in some homes at Kwanzaa time. Y is for yams. Yams are a vegetable similar to potatoes. Yams and other vegetables are eaten at the Karamu feast. And Z is for zawadi. Zawadi means gifts. Simple gifts exchanged at Kwanzaa should be educational, cultural, or related to family values. Homemade gifts such as corn husk dolls and wooden cars and quilts make special gifts. Books and games are great gifts too. The end. Wow, that was such a great book, wasn't it? Well, now that our story time is over, it is time to light the kinara, but before we do, let's learn a little bit more about Kwanzaa. Our first phrase is Habarigani. Habarigani are Swahili words that mean, what is the news? It's how we greet each other during Kwanzaa. Everyone repeat after me. Habarigani.
Habarigani.
Great job, everyone. We're going to do that one more time really loud on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Habarigani. Our news for tonight is that it is the 6th night of Kwanzaa. All right, let's talk about tonight's principle of Kwanzaa. Tonight's principle is Kumba. It means creativity, doing or making something in your own unique way. Everyone say Kumba.
Kumba.
Great job, everyone. Now it is time to light the kinara. Since there are 7 nights of Kwanzaa, let's count down starting from 7. Here we go. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're not fun.